Hey, what's up, guys? I know it's been a while with DMP, but I'm gonna start doing this hopefully vlog from day to day, whatever. Oh shit, my face all up close and shit. Anyways, it's Tony Ducky, DMP Chicago here, whatever. And as you can see, the first step in our little journey to fixing up our ride is, well, not the first one, because we already put the Yofer front lip kit, the diffuser. I'm still gonna order the side skirts, just trying to decide what design I'm gonna get, as long as it goes with the car. And right now we're gonna go get these tires installed on the wheels installed with the tires, and see how they look. And besides that, maybe install them today. I gotta see, because the fitment, they might be sticking out just a little tad bit, and I might have to decide if I'm gonna have to do some body work on the car, or if I'm just gonna modify the wheels and get some smaller width size. But we should be good, not too far off. They do sell some options for some flares on the fenders, but I don't want to just do flares. So if I'm gonna go a little bit of a wide body on the Accord, and I end up deciding to choose to get wide body modifications, I'm gonna go where you wouldn't notice that there's addition to the sides. Obviously you'll know if you have an Accord, but not like just a stick on and you tap on and you nail them in and all that stuff. Nah, I want the whole, make it look good. So yeah, let me go get this done. I'm gonna go to this tire shop, rim shop, whatever, that my brother told me to go to, and see what they say. And then from there, we'll see what happens. See you guys.